Come in, coach. Just give me a chance. I know there's a lot riding on it, but it's all psychological. Just gotta stay in a positive frame of mind. Hey, what's up, skill stackers? It's Adrian Boysel, and today we're gonna talk about the importance of you having a website coach. Probably never heard of that. If you Google it, you won't come up with any results. This is something that I came up with my team, with my business partners. We thought long and hard about this. There are a lot of different types of business coaches that you can find that help you work on your social media, that can help you work on all these different areas. But a coach that can help you work on your website is really, really valuable. A coach is going to ensure that your website is always improving its value and not becoming a stagnant money pit. This is the worst. A website built correctly should be a revenue generating asset. If your website's not a revenue generating asset right now, this is why this video is so important. I'm here to show you how to make that happen. But I don't want you to just take my word for it. According to a study by the Small Business Administration, the SBA, businesses that work with a coach are more likely to see success than those without one. That's right. Having a coach increases your chances of success by as much as 50%. 50% is a big deal. I don't know about you, but if I could take a 50% shot at winning $1 million, I would take it. So can you afford to miss out on that kind of advantage? I know I can't. First and foremost, having a coach to work with you ensures that your website is always improving and evolving. And as your business grows, your website's going to need to grow with it. A coach will help you identify those areas of improvement and then implement strategies and best practices to take your website to that next level. So listen up, my friends. Hiring a website coach to actually build out your website and maintain your website is like having a personal trainer for your business. Just as a personal trainer creates customized plans, workout plans, provides guidance, and holds you accountable to reach those fitness goals, a website coach is going to create a customized website plan based on a marketing plan. We're going to provide guidance on the best strategies and then hold you accountable to ensure that your website is always performing at its best and generating consistent, I'm going to say that again, consistent revenue growth for your business. It's time to take control of your online growth and reach a level of success that I believe you truly deserve. Another key benefit of having a coach to work with you on your website is they'll help you stay on top of the latest technologies and trends in web design and development. The online world is constantly changing. We have AI and big data and all the crazy stuff that's happening in our world. The online world is just changing so fast. A coach is gonna make sure that you're always up to date and you're always on the most competitive edge against everybody else. So I wanna challenge you today to share with me in the comments one area of your website that you would like to improve. Just pick one. What is one area that you think could really be improved upon on your website that you don't like currently? The final benefit of having a website coach is that they'll help you turn your website into a revenue generating asset. Most people's websites that I come across are losing money. They're actually not making money. So not only are they losing money every month and putting money into this hole, but then they're losing all the opportunities that they could be making by having a website that actually generated them income. A coach is going to teach you how to optimize your website for conversions and how to use your website to generate leads and sales. We're going to be able to help you implement your CRMs, create nurturing sequences. There's just so much that we're going to be able to do. So now that you understand the importance of having a website coach to work with, you need to ensure that your website is always improving its value by having one of these. I want to invite you to work with one of our website coaches. They have the experience and the expertise to help you turn your website into a revenue generating asset. So click the link in the description below that's going to take you to the first step, which is our ultimate website blueprint. I put together this 45-minute training for you to help take your website and change your perspective about how your website is currently built and what it needs to do to be successful. Having a website coach to work with you is the only correct way to go. We will help you improve your website, stay on top of the latest technologies and trends, and most importantly, turn your website into that revenue generating asset, consistent revenue generation. So if you're ready to work with one of my coaches, you want to work with me, let me know by dropping a link or clicking the link down in the comments, and we'll build you a website that's actually going to set you up for success long term. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Adrian Boysel. I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, keep looking up.